This 2024 Dutchmen Yukon 399ML is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Glenpool, Oklahoma, 74033 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Tulsa. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Dutchman is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 162 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, rear kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.